Hello students, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing good. I am your English teacher Lyris Sunny, and today we are going to study about collective nouns, which is also the type of nouns. But before we begin our class for today, let us quickly revise that what we have done in our last class. We have done common nouns and proper nouns, right? So let's take a quick look that what are common nouns and proper nouns. Common nouns name general person, place, things. These nouns do not begin with a capital letter. The examples for common nouns are: the boys went to play cricket. Boys and cricket are the common nouns here. The second one is: this neighborhood is one of the best in the area. Neighborhood is the common noun here. Third, she was trying to answer her phone while buying coffee. Phone and coffee are the common nouns here. There are some more examples of the common nouns. Then comes the proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific person, places, things, names of the days of the week, months of the year, organizations, institutions, etc. These nouns begin with a capital letter. The first one: John is fond of listening music. John is the proper noun here because it's starting with a capital letter, right? The second one: everyone likes Sunday's brunch. Sunday is the proper noun here. Third, my birthday comes in the month of August. August is the proper noun here. There are some more examples given here for the proper nouns. Okay? Now let's begin our class for today. What are collective nouns? Collective nouns. First, I am going to explain you all a bit about nouns, then we'll come to the collective nouns. Okay? A noun can be a person, a place, an animal, or a thing, right? Similarly, a collective noun can be a group of people, places, animals, things. People, a team of players, right? Team means there are a lot of players playing any other game, any of the game, right? So when there are 10 to 12 players, they are known as a team. So it's a team of players. A choir of singers. A class of students, right? A choir of singers means when 4 or 5 singers sing together, they are called a choir of singers. And for the class, a class of students, when we all gathered in one class as students, that is called the class of students, right students? Then the places: a range of mountains, a cluster of islands, a museum of art. Animals, a flock of sheep. A group of sheep is called the flock of sheep. A pride of lions. A swarm of bees. A flight of stairs. A string of beads. A clutch of eggs. Collective noun. Name a group of people, animals, places or things. An army of soldiers, a team of ducks, a bunch of geese. See some more examples of collective nouns. A band of musicians, a troupe of dancers, a gang of thieves, a flock of sheep, a hive of bees, a pride of lions. So basically, collective nouns means one group that names a group of people, places, animals or things. Okay? It can be a group of animals such as lion. It can be a group of people such as students. It can be a group of things such as flowers. Okay, students? I hope you all have understood about collective nouns. Now I want you all to open up your Junior English books, page number 17. Here is the page of your Junior English book. Can you see a blue chart in the book? This will help us to solve the exercises, okay? But before we begin the exercise, I want you to do one correction in the list. Here is a misprint of a word, pilgrim. See, the word is pilgrim written here. You just have to change pilgrims into musicians. Okay? I hope you all have changed the word. It's just a misprint. Now let's begin our exercise. Exercise A. Write the missing words. A dash of singers. A choir of singers, right? You have to select the collective noun from the second list. Okay? Now, a dash of teachers. A staff of teachers. Okay? A dash of chicks. Chicks. A brood of chicks. Number 4, a dash of bells. A peal of bells. Number 5, a dash of actors. A company of actors. See, the word company is written here. The 6th one, a dash of locusts. There are 2 words written here, plague or swarm. Whatever you feel easy, you can write the word here. Either you can write plague or you can write swarm here. Okay? I will write swarm here. Okay? A swarm of locusts. A dash of spectators. A crowd of spectators. The 3rd one, a dash of thieves. A dash of thieves, a gang of thieves. Okay, students? Now the 9th one, a dash of lions. A pride of lions. We have done in the examples also, right? A dash of swallows. A flight of swallows. Then comes the exercise B here. the first one. Now we are going to select from the opposite side. Okay, but before we'll begin exercise B, let me tell you all that I will do just 5 with y'all. The first 5 I will do with y'all here, and the next 5 y'all are going to do it by yourself with the help of this chart. Okay, so let's begin with the exercise B. The first one, a host of dash. A host of angels. Okay, a clump of dash. A clump of trees. Okay, now the third one, a cluster of dash. Cluster or galaxy, right? A cluster of stars. A band of musician, the word which I've corrected with y'all, right? A band of musicians. The fifth one, a board of directors. Okay, now from 6 onwards y'all are going to do it by yourself with the help of this chart. I hope you know how to do this. Okay students, I will show you all the solved exercise now. Here is the solved exercise which I have done here with you all. You can see the answers which I was telling you all the answers same as it is I have written here, right? So you have to do 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 by your own by taking the help of the chart. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed the class. Now comes the home task. You have to do exercise C with the help of that chart, okay, for your homework. Then you have to do exercise A, B and C of page 17 in your English language copy and submit it in school office every Wednesday. It is better that you do all the previous work in your English language copy only. The previous work which we have done in the common and proper nouns and in the nouns. All these exercises should be done in your English language copy. Okay students? This is all for today. Take good care of yourselves. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.